Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? That's right, it is club time. What does club time mean? It means it's the first of the month, and every first of the month we release a brand new stamp set and die set. Now club members are sent these items right away on the first of the month at literally 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning. My husband gets up extra early and he gets those in the mail ASAP. And now I get to share with you what that stamp and die set is. Now if you're not in the club, you need to check it out, because you don't want to miss out. And this one is so adorable. I love it. It is called Dragonflies2stamp. Funny thing is, I just saw a real dragonfly in real life the other day, and it's really cute because it has a lot of words as well as these fun 2 dragonflies. So it says, "You got this. Thank you. Spread your wings. Time flies when I'm with you. Dream. I'm proud of you. Be you and I miss you." There's also extra little swirls that you can add in their wings if you want to. Lots and lots of fun. Now, Stamp Club members are sent this automatically on the 1st, but if you're a stamper and you do not like to hand cut these items when they're stamped, we have a club for you. That's called our Die Hard Club. This is our most popular club. The Die Hard Club is getting the same stamps and the dies that match. So you're getting the big dragonflies and you're getting those fun little pieces that you're gonna decorate their wings with. Now I have some fun, gorgeous samples to share with you. But first, I wanted to share this gorgeous jar that Michelle from our design team created. Now, as you know, I'm really getting into the home decor stuff, and I'm wanting to use our stamps and dies for other projects, including, as you can see here, this is my January calendar, but pretty soon I need to change it to February. But so look how cute that is. Isn't that gorgeous? They're on this is just an inverted jar, and she has them colored with glitter on their wings, and it's just oh so pretty. Look at that. I'll try to move it around so you can see. She even colored the backs, so you could look at it from any angle. So I just absolutely love that. So let's look at some samples. Here we have a cute one with our mom's background, which is so pretty. Here we have one, oh look how pretty that is with our leaf set. I love that. I love all the different ways the design team made them. Here's an example of the wings cut out of vellum and colored. Isn't that pretty? So fun and so pretty. Oh, here's some more vellum on this one. Love it. You got this. The dragonflies are the perfect size for every size card. Here's one with foil on their wings, which is so pretty. Now, the nice thing too about the wings and the dies is the wings are pretty much almost cut completely out. You just have to do a little snip to get them completely out. But then you can do things like add the vellum wings or add the foil wings so easily. Here's another one with one of our grid backgrounds. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, here's a fun one. Look at that. Be you. Oh, I love that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now here's a fun one with on the Slimline. So as you notice, the Slimline's easy peasy, totally just go right there on there. Look at that. And then here's another one. Oh, look at that, a little border of dragonflies. I love it. Now, if I went too fast on any of those, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery on our website. And there you can like them, you can share them. You can also print them if you want to have those ideas. Now, as I mentioned, club members, yours are already on their way to you, and you should be getting them soon. If you're not in the club, you need to join ASAP, because club members get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Gold Club members get a 20% discount, which is even better. Now, why do I say that? Because you know what? There's a companion set to these stamps and dies, and you are definitely not going to want to miss out on that. So I'm going to share that in the next video, but make sure you go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.